Dear students, in this session we will learn about a new concept, that is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. What are complementary angles? The complementary angles are the two angles whose sum is 90 degree. For example, 70 degree and 20 degree is equal to 90 degree. So 70 and 20, these are complementary angles. So two angles are complementary if their sum is 90 degree, and each angle of such pair is called complement of each other. Now we discuss the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Is theorem: sin 90 degree minus theta, theta is acute angle, is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta, and cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, and cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. So we use these relations to solve problems based on trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Now we will discuss some problems based on this concept. Prove that sin 48 degree sec 42 degree plus cos 48 degree into cosec 42 degree is equal to 2. We use this concept of complementary angles and change one of these trigonometric ratios into the other. For example, sin 48 we copy it as it is. Sec 42, sec 42 may be converted into cosec 90 minus theta. So theta here, sec theta is 42. So we can write it as cosec 90 minus 42 degree, plus this is cos 48, cosec 42 may be changed into sec 90 minus 42. This is sec 90 minus 42 degree. This is sin 48 degree dot cosec 90 minus 42 is 48 degree, plus cos 48, and sec 90 minus 42, 90 minus 42 is 48, so this is sec 48 degree. We know sin theta into cos theta is equal to 1. So as sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1 and cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. Therefore, we replace the values. So 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. In another sum, prove that tan 20 degree into tan 35 into tan 45 into tan 55 into tan 70 degree is equal to 1. Tan 20 degree, tan 35 degree, tan 45 degree multiply. We can change this tan 55 into cot. We know tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. So this is cot 90 degree minus 55 degree, and this is cot 90 minus 70 degree. Tan 20 degree, tan 35 degree dot value of tan 45 is 1 multiplied 1 cot 90 minus 55. Now we subtract it, we get cot 35 degree, cot 90 minus 70, 90 minus 70 is 20, so this is cot 20 degree. Now tan 20 multiplied cot 20 is equal to 1 as tan theta dot cot theta is equal to 1. Therefore tan 20 into cot 20, that is equal to 1. Tan 35 into cot 35 multiply 1 and into 1, that is 1. So 1 is equal to 1. LHS is equal to 1, RHS is also 1, hence proved. In the next problem, if sin 3a is equal to cos a minus 26 degree, where thrice of a is an acute angle, find value of a. Now we transform this cos theta is a minus 26 into sin theta. So theta is a minus 26, so 90 minus theta sin is cos theta, implies sin 3a is equal to sin 90 degree minus a plus 26 degree, implies sin 3a is equal to sin 90 plus 26, that is 116 degree minus a. So sin 3a is equal to sin 116 degree minus a, implies thrice of a is equal to 116 degree minus a, which further implies 4 times of a is equal to 116 degree, or a is equal to, dividing 116 by 4, we get 29 degrees. In another question, if a, b, c are interior angles of triangle ABC, show that sin b plus c upon 2 is equal to cos a by 2. As ABC are interior angles of triangle, we know by angle sum property of triangle, A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Or A upon 2 plus B plus C upon 2 is equal to 90 degree, dividing both the sides by 2, implies B plus C upon 2 is equal to 90 degree minus a by 2, which further implies sin b plus c upon 2 is equal to sin 90 degree minus a by 2, which further implies sin b plus c upon 2 is equal to sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So we transform this into cos theta, that is theta is a by 2, hence proved.